In this video, we provide information about the Invest Georgia exemption, which permits Georgia residents, both accredited and non-accredited investors, to invest in Georgia companies through SterlingFunder. SterlingFunder is, in fact, the first equity crowdfunding platform for both accredited and non-accredited investors in the country. In 2012, the Georgia Secretary of State made it easier for Georgia businesses to raise capital by implementing the Invest Georgia exemption. The Invest Georgia exemption loosens restrictions on how new and small Georgia-based businesses can raise capital from the public market by permitting intrastate crowdfunding. Georgia and Kansas are the first and currently the only states to allow equity-based crowdfunding. Here are the key points of the Invest Georgia exemption. It allows Georgia-based businesses to sell equity through crowdfunding to Georgia residents, whether those residents are accredited or non-accredited investors. To qualify for the exemption, the company must 1. Be a for-profit business, 2. Be formed under the laws of the state of Georgia, 3. Have its principal office in Georgia, and 4. Carry out a significant amount of its business in this state. The Invest Georgia exemption allows Georgia-based companies to publicly offer their securities through a crowdfunding portal, such as SterlingFunder.com. Non-accredited investors who are Georgia residents can invest up to $10,000 per year through intra-state crowdfunding. Non-accredited investors are individuals who don't yet have annual income exceeding $200,000 or net worth exceeding $1 million. Georgia residents who are accredited investors, these are individuals with annual income greater than $200,000 or a net worth exceeding $1 million. They can invest as much as they like. The maximum raise is $1 million per year, not including sales to controlling persons. Companies issuing shares in reliance on the exemption must inform investors that the securities are unregistered and may not be resold to non-Georgia residents for a period of 9 months after the completion of the offering. These are some of the main points of the Invest Georgia exemption, but certainly not all of them. And only a tailored review of your particular company will determine if it would qualify to raise capital under the Invest Georgia exemption. There's more information in the Learning Hub section of SterlingFunder.com. Thank you again.